he's a very pleasant person and wasn't didn't respond angrily or anything like that. But he is deflated and would really like to be out of prison.
Tommy Ward's attorney, Mark Barrett, told us he's talked to his client recently after the Court of Criminal Appeals' decision last week to keep him in prison. He argues Tommy should already be a free man.
The district judge had ruled that he should be released, and under the circumstances, could not be retried.
But now his legal team is going to the federal level to try to get Tommy out of prison.
The avenue open to us at this point would be to file a petition for writ of habeas corpus.
Back in 2019, Barrett says he got police documents from the city of Ada suggesting there could be another suspect in the death of Donna Denise Haraway.
The victim's family was aware that a different suspect, not Mr. Ward, had been coming around the convenience store where the victim worked.
Those documents were a big reason why a district court judge ruled Ward should be set free in 2020. So now it's back to the courts to try to get that evidence on the record.
We have a newly discovered evidence issue to be resolved in the state court and a suppressed evidence issue that we will most likely bring in federal court.
Barrett wants to start the federal court process soon, but he doesn't know when that'll happen.
In federal court, things would start when we filed a petition, and we would hope to get that done sooner instead of later, although the exact timeline for that is uncertain.
The Attorney General's office has not commented on the case. Denise Haraway was 24 years old when she was found dead.